My video guide is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension called Globe Earth New Tab. So this is the extension specifically designed for the Google Chrome browser. Globe Earth New Tab is the name of this extension. The developers of the extension indicate that every time you open a new tab, you will see time and date and a beautiful image from Globe Earth. The reality is that this extension actually operates as a browser hijacker because it changes your default search engine. Whenever you start submitting some search queries, you will eventually get the results by some other search engines not chosen by you initially. So anyway, if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then when you find this extension, disable and remove it. This should fix the issue very well, but I also recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.